Let's make Ålander Egg Nog. To make this drink, we're going to start with our half and half. 2 ounces of half and half is 60 milliliters. Next, 1 ounce of rich demerara syrup. And demerara rich means it's 2 for 1, sugar to water, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. I do have a video here on the channel for simple syrups if you want to check that out. Also, if you want to try Smuggler's Cove version of demerara syrup, that recipe will be in the description down below as well. I did say 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. That's what we're doing. Next, 1/2 ounce of a, let's see if I pronounce this correctly, Amontillado Sherry. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Ooh, that came out easy. And finally, the rum. 1.5 ounces of your Ålander Aged Rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And I know I said finally, but there's one more ingredient, and that is 1 whole egg. What is an eggnog without an egg? If you want to use an egg substitute instead, feel free to do so. I'm going to use whole egg. I'm probably going to crack this off camera just to make sure I do it right. I'll be right back with you. That went smooth. Now, the first thing we're going to do is dry shake this. That means no ice. And my shaker is not particularly good with dry shaking, so you may see a little bit of leakage. We'll see what happens. Huh, look at that. Now, I'm going to add some ice. And we're going to wet shake. Oh, there's a leakage, see it? This only happens to me when I dry shake. Now, I'm gonna go wipe off my hands quick because this drives me crazy. And while I wipe my hands off, I did get some more ice because there's 2 ways to serve this drink. Number 1, you can serve it up in a large coupe glass. My coupes can't quite hold this drink. They're a little bit small, but it's not the size of the glass that's important. It's how you shake the drink. The other way is to fill a Collins glass with a couple of ice cubes, fill it, add, and then strain your drink into there. And that's beautiful. One thing I neglected to get was a straw, but first I'm going to add some ground nutmeg. Grated nutmeg is better. I have ground, so that's what I'm using, because that's the garnish. Grab my straw, add my straw, and there you have it, the Ålander Egg Nog from Far North Spirits. Drink with good spirits.